Hey guys, Blood Groove here. Just want to share with you my newest package, recent arrival from the knife store. Let's see, am I going to use scissors to open this? Or knife? Let's use scissors. What is it? What could it be? It's double packaging, that's what it is. Okay. Scissors again. Trusty old Fiskars. Titanium blade. Feels like I'm cutting through something, so. A couple of items in there. What do we got? Number one. Ah, the hideout. The cold steel hideout. I was shopping neck knives, decided to give them a try, so I purchased a couple of different ones to see which I like best. This looked pretty cool, the dagger style. 3-inch blade, 6.5 inches overall, AUS 8, a 3mm blade thickness. Wow, okay. It's got the nice little chain, and it's in black too, so that's nice, the breakaway chain. All right. Secure X. Let's see how secure that is. It's in there pretty good. Yeah, that's in there real good. Loosened up just after that first one though. All right. So we have the cold steel blade made in Taiwan, the hideout. Double-edged dagger style neck knife. It's nice. Keep your fingers there a little from moving up on the blade. All right, well that looks like it works. Light enough. Did this thing say the weight? 1.5 ounces. Well, let's look at that compared to that Kershaw I have next to me that I just unboxed a moment ago. So the Kershaw is overall 7.7 inches. And the cold steel is overall 6.5 inches. Weight of the cold steel is 1.5 ounces, and the Kershaw, it doesn't say. Well, let's see if I can tell a difference. Oh yeah. Kershaw actually feels probably about twice as heavy. Wow, that really puts it into perspective. This cold steel is really nice. I think I'll like this one better. Just maybe put this one in the truck. Looks to be nicely made, no issues. Get your lanyard loop if you wish. Actually, not if you do wish, that's right, it comes with the breakaway necklace. All right, let's see what else we have in there. It's been a while, so I don't necessarily remember. I remember one of them that's going to be in there, but I don't remember all of them. Let's see, do I want to go with the small one or the big one? Let's go with the smaller one. Ah, yes, the Spyderco. So this I actually had to search around for. This is from let me see. I ordered these from Oso Grande. I think it's called Oso Grande knife and tool. Let me see if there's a receipt in here. Yeah. OsoGrandeKnives.com. And this is called the ARK. I forget what the real name of that is. Always Ready Knife. The Always Ready Knife. And the joke is since it was developed for the military, because people were getting assaulted in the showers, the joke is that ARK stands for the anti-rape knife. And the reason I had to hunt around for this one is because, you'll see here in just a second, let's just say it's something that most people wouldn't like because it is serrated, completely serrated blade. And I wanted the serrations for greater damage in the event that it should ever be needed in a defensive situation. And as I recall, the H1 steel is really good for against rust, anti-corrosion, since this will be up against the body. This is actually my first Spyderco knife. Normally don't like them because of their plastic handles. This thing is definitely light. Let's see if it's lighter than the cold steel. Of course it's going to be smaller. It is, but do we go double again? Is the cold steel is twice as heavy as the Spyderco? Just might be. Sorry, I don't have a scale. Well, this is a really nice sheath. And it's the one that has the tab there to keep it secured. Just got to lock it in for it to work though. There we go. So that is not coming out. No jiggle. see, up, down. Nope. I guess the blade's just too light to get any jiggle out of it. So ideally, you just go ahead and push it out with your index finger. Come out. Your index finger is right there in the choil. And you're set to go. This is nice. I like it. I would probably wear this one most. The lighter they get. Like I said, I don't like anything hanging over my neck. I just feels like a yoke hanging with the chain around my neck, so I don't wear a necklace or anything like that. But thought, well, let me give it a try for a short period of time, and we'll see if we can get used to it. All right. Let's see what else we have. This next one's pretty big. Maybe I should open this into a second video. What is that? Ah. Yeah, I don't remember what this is. Got no idea. Completely forgot. Let's see. Let me take a peek. Doesn't say. All right. Well, let's see. How's this opening? What is this? What is this? What is this? What's this say? Yeah, don't remember. That doesn't cue anything. Oh, okay, okay. There we go. I remember this now. It's called the Dvalin. I believe it's called Dvalin. I just bought this because it looked cool. I mean, I guess you could carry it as a, no. Well, I suppose you could carry it as a neck knife if you wanted to, fix something up with the chain there, but it's just way too heavy. So you definitely want to use the belt clip. Let me see if I'm pronouncing that right. Boker Plus Little Dvalin, D-V-A-L-I-N, has a 3.15-inch D2 Tanto blade with a black G10 handle and a Kydex sheath. Yeah, that's cool. That is cool. Chunky monkey. Wow. Wow. I have no idea what that number represents. So another one of my made in China knives, I think. I saw it said, yeah, made in China. So we got the China unboxings today. That is cool. Look at that blood groove. Hey. Wow. That would definitely hurt. That's going to put a mean hole in a Coke can. That's just a fun knife. D2. Lanyard hole. Wow. Can't wait to give this one a try. It just feels fun. I could just whack into anything. I really can't emphasize how heavy this thing is. It's heavier than all three of the Kershaw, the Spyderco, and the Cold Steel together. So, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.